doc, and he looked worse than me, 'cause he'd been working round the clock. When I told him of my symptoms, he sighed and shook his head. I know exactly what is troubling you, he said. The problem is you're sick of healthcare cuts, underfunding hospitals is nuts. Here's the prescription for the affliction. No privatization of healthcare in our nation. 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 Anywhere in Canada, no ifs, ands, or buts. About the doctor's words, and they made sense to me, 'cause when I look around, here's what I see. Ambulances lined up outside emergency. Patients are sent home before they really ought to be. Hospitals are forced to close in some communities. Public health care doesn't get the funding that it needs. The problem is we're sick of healthcare cuts. Underfunding hospitals is nuts. That's totally nuts. Here's the prescription for the affliction. No privatization of healthcare in our nation. 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 Anywhere in Canada, no ifs, ands, or buts.